And I'm back with another video. In today's video, y'all, the crash dummy in me is going to try to self-wax. So as y'all know, I grow chin hair. I got a full body wax one time. I go get my hoo-ha wax. I ain't no stranger to waxing, but I seen Glamazon Tay use this wax, the Sally Hansen this essential wax. I mean essential wax. Where did I get the word essential? Nurse Life stripless wax, microwavable eyebrow, face, lip, and wax kit. Results last up to 8 weeks. Great for face, eyebrows, upper chin, and all that good stuff. Upper chin, upper lip, and chin. Okay, so I have chin hairs all right here, and my eyebrows are currently atrocious, so I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Depends on how I feel. So I'm opening it up. It's this little pack. Oh, it comes with little guides to put on your face. That's how I feel. And like, I guess like a, what is this supposed to be? A wood stick. This is the actual microwavable wax, and aftercare, extra smooth aftercare lotion. Okay. Important, read and follow company instructions and carefully. It basically says don't use in a conventional or toaster oven. It's used for a microwave oven. Do not apply direct heat or flame. Don't use on compromised skin. Okay. I'm laughing already because I just feel like this finna be a fool. Like, oh, look a kid. This is how I want my eyebrows. Do I just take it off and stick it on my eyebrows? I just gotta get the rest of it. Yeah. After this. Oh, okay. Yeah. Whoa. Hold on. Please hold. Okay, y'all. So, read the instructions. So, basically, we heat this for... I am out of breath. Whoa. Simmer down, Rasputia. Hold it, Effie. Okay. Heat this for 90 seconds in the microwave. Then we stick the spatula in. Stir. If it goes blank, it's too hot. If not, it's ready. Gonna spread it and then let it get soft, and then hold it taut, and if that goes well, then we're gonna attempt to do the eyebrows. That is the plan. If the plan gonna work, we don't know, but we're gonna attempt. So I'm gonna put my hair back, and I'm gonna go heat it in the microwave for 90 seconds. Y'all wanna come? Nah, I'm not gonna bring y'all to the microwave. Yeah, I'll bring y'all to the microwave. I'm going to assume you just stick it in here with the top off. So there's that. 90 seconds is a minute and 30, right? There it goes. So it's done. It said let it sit in the microwave for a minute, but I'm anxious Annie, so I'm not gonna let it sit in the microwave for a minute. I'm going to take it out of the microwave actually. Put it on a towel. It only looked like half of it, you know. Oh, it's not even all the way, like, I'm trying to break it up. I think I'm gonna heat it for like 15 more seconds because it said heat it in 15-second intervals. Because it looked too hard. So heat it for like 15 more seconds. Gonna take it out now and we're gonna go to the bathroom. So this is what it looks like. I heated it 15 more seconds because I didn't feel like it was ready. So it feel like it got harder. What the heck? So I'm stirring it from the bottom to the top. And the applicator look like it say you can kind of see the ready a little bit. What about? So you know what? it looked like it's getting cold, so I'm just gonna do it what it said. It said do like excess like this, and then I'm just gonna oh my chin. What? Zuri, don't hit my camera. Okay, so wait till it's soft. Okay. Oh! Ouch! 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 Ow! Ow! That didn't hurt that bad. Not a lot of hair came off right here, but that definitely took the hair off on this side. Let's start here. Okay. Oh. Ah. This is not. Ah. Oh, that hurt it. Oh my God, that hurt it. Oh. Ow. Oh. Y'all, look at all my chin hairs. Oh, that hurt it. That hurt it. But it got them off a little bit. I gotta get the rest of my neck. I hope y'all can see. Don't mind Zuri in the background. But y'all, look. It really worked. My long ass chin hairs. I think I'm gonna do it again because this side I didn't. But I think the wax too is. Let me try. Let me try. Oh, it's still a little. I can still do a little 1, 2 right there, and ah! No. I want to take the wax off this stick, but I think I would have to like. Yeah. Okay. Why y'all so? Look at this is my neck. This is real up close and personal. Like, what you do for self-care? Okay. Hold it tight. Oh. 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 That hurt, y'all. Oh. 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 That stung a little bit. And last but not least, ouch. Y'all, that hurt it. And I got some dried up wax, but for the most part, most of my chin is going. What, baby? What? I'm right here. Mommy not doing nothing but waxing her chin. And then they say you can apply this topical analgesic. So I guess you just to like make it feel better. Now that I'm applying the lotion, I can still see some things of hair, but for the most part, most of it's gone. Y'all, I just waxed my chin hair. I got like one right here. A couple of little ones, but for the most part, it's not going and hurting, but shit, I'm waxing myself. Oh, I don't have no chin hair no more. Great. Okay. I want to do my eyebrows now, but I think I already showed y'all. Look at all the hair that was on my chin. That is so gross, y'all. Cause my daddy's side of the family part ape. No shade, no tea to them. I love them, but they part ape. Cause my daddy is super hairy, and my mama's side of the family like don't even grow hair on their legs. So I know I got my hairiness from my daddy's side of the family. But now I kind of want to do my eyebrows, but I'm scared. Let's just see. What this do? Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, so you stick this on your brow. And girl, what if I get wax on my lashes? Hey y'all, finna be a crash dummy. Cause I feel like this my face. 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 This is my face. Just fucking do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Oh, it's on my finger, child. Oh, not my edges. Oh, not my lashes, sweetheart. It's a little bit of hair that I'm not not waxing my whole right brow. It's just a little bit of hair. It's okay. Just pull it. Just be a G. That didn't do shit. I messed this one up. But I think this one's stuck for real. So. That's what hurted. I ripped my whole tail off. Y'all. But this one worked. So, are you gonna re-wax, Lyle? Are you gonna do it? Okay, let's go. What, baby? You want to be in the camera? That's all. Everybody, say hi to Zoo. Zoo, look. You see? You so pretty. A little ponytail sticking up. Why? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that worked. Oh, yeah, that worked. Let's see. This one is just not working. This eyebrow was just like, leave me alone. But okay, y'all, so that was my attempt at waxing my chin and my eyebrows. The eyebrows worked. I'm not like the best at it. This is my first time. With more practice, it'll come. But the chin definitely worked. Chin definitely smooth. It don't hurt. I got a little neck hairs right here, but as for it did what it had to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all of the time. I think that I'm just gonna stick to getting my eyebrows threaded, because before I sit here and keep going and have no eyebrows left, because I low-key took my tail off right here, like, and this one didn't even come off. I'm gonna just go get my eyebrows threaded tomorrow. That's just that on that. I'm gonna be like, hey, I messed myself up, fix me up, homegirl. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. This wax stuff really does work. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. We gonna try new stuff, okay? But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Like, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.